folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check that one out. That's right, it is another 12-string baritone. Look at that neck. Oh, look at that. All right, so what we've got is all the details over there in the description. Feel free to pull them up, but we've got a lot of the usual suspects. You know, Gotoh, Hipshot, all that jazz. Seymour, Duncans. We've got Wes Hauches on this thing, so check it out. I'm going to give you a quick little demo. Give me a beat. All right, why am I not hearing that? Oh, because I got to turn it on. Ooh, let's turn it up too. There we go. Now we're rocking. Yeah, that's a basic little rock beat. Let's see what we can do to that. I think I'm going to go backwards. Normally I put a little riff or a rhythm and then try to get chords over. I think I'm going to do chords first. Yeah, let's do that. Wow. Look at that junk in my throat. Yeah. I should wear a mask more when I make sawdust. I got off my beats, but that's okay. But I dubbed it in, so we'll have to play off those counter harmonies. Bass is going. Alright, let's get this. Let's put a little distortion on there. Set a little. Now let's put a little distortion with let's go single coil, double single coil. Okay, I can work off that. Let's light it up. picture. So that's yeah. I mean, you notice. I mean, these West Hauch Jupiters. These things are just they're great, clean. I didn't use any chorus because obviously I've got like a 12 string, so chorus would be like overkill. But you can really get some good ambient sounds with them on clean. But you notice what happens once you distort these things. You just light them up, and I'm just using a cheap little zoom pedal here. So you can imagine if I was to use a really good amp distortion, you know, power head type distortion would be so much better. But just wonderful guitar. Like I said, beautiful pickups. I love these rail type pickups for these 12 strings, especially these Jupiters. These things are just awesome. There you have it. So it is ready, about to go get put in a case, sent out to the customer. I love making baritones. Can you tell? I like also making fan frets and multi-scales and all. This is just, you know, it's fun stuff. I got to really, this job's just terrible, huh? I get to mess with guitars all day. That's it. What can I say? Thanks again for helping to grow the brand and for supporting the channel and supporting Dude Craft Guitars.